Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we review the most popular kitchen appliances. In today's video, we are going to compare two air fryer ovens, the Nuwave Brio 7-in-1 and the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL. We will evaluate each product in different categories to help you decide which one will suit your needs best. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. The Nuwave Brio has a 6-quart capacity, which is perfect for a small family of 4. On the other hand, the Ninja air fryer boasts an XL capacity of 5.5 quarts, which is enough to cook up to 3 pounds of food. If you have a large family or love hosting parties, Ninja is the way to go. Both air fryer ovens are versatile and come with multiple cooking programs. The Nuwave Brio offers 7 programs, including grilling, baking, roasting, dehydrating, and toasting. Meanwhile, the Ninja air fryer offers 5 programs, including air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. If you want more cooking options, go for the Nuwave Brio, but if you want a simpler appliance with essential functions, go for the Ninja air fryer. Both air fryer ovens use superheated air to cook food, eliminating the need for oil and reducing fat consumption. However, the Nuwave Brio uses a patented linear T technology that cooks food perfectly by continuously monitoring the temperature, which ensures healthier and evenly cooked food. While the Ninja Air Fryer XL claims to have up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, it does not have any temperature control technology that ensures consistent results. Both air fryer ovens have non-stick baskets and are dishwasher safe, making them easy to clean. However, the Nuwave Brio also comes with an ultra non-stick air circulation riser and a stainless steel reversible rack, which makes cleaning even more comfortable and faster. The Nuwave Brio 7-in-1 air fryer oven costs $109 United States dollars, while the Ninja Air Fryer XL costs $155 United States dollars. If you want a more affordable air fryer that comes packed with features, go for the Nuwave Brio. However, if you can afford the Ninja Air Fryer XL's extra features, go for it. And that's it for today's review of the Nuwave Brio 7-in-1 and the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.